Hello kids, so today I'm going to show you how to browse a certain topic and how to put it on a presentation or how to present it using a Google slide. Okay, so uh, this is the assignment. So in this assignment, the topic that is given to you is safety measures while using the internet. Yeah, so you have to search the web to get more information about the topic safety measures while using the internet and then start working on the presentation. The presentation is already attached in the your work section. So you don't have to create a new one. Then it is written that the first slide should be a title slide, second, third and fourth slide should talk about the safety measures, and then last slide should give credits to the website if you have used any image or information from the web. Yeah. So let's start. I'm opening Google, a search engine, and over here I'll type safety while using internet. Okay, so now when I search for this topic, the first site that comes is top 10 internet safety rules and what not to do online. So this site might be useful for us. So let's open this site in a new tab. Open this site. It's a Kaspersky site. It's a very good antivirus site. So I guess we can use this information. Yeah. So first safety measure they have given us is keep personal information professional and limited. Yeah. So second one is also good one. Keep your privacy settings on. Then practice safe browsing. Make sure your internet connection is secure. Be careful what you download. Use strong passwords. Make online purchases from secure sites. Be careful what you post. So these are something that we have already learned in cybersecurity. Yeah, so be careful who you meet online. Keep your antivirus program up to date. So these are some things that we have already learned and we can make use of this information in our presentation. Okay, so now that we have got our information, we can go back to the assignment, open this presentation that is attached in the your work section of the assignment. You don't have to change the name of the presentation, keep it as it is. And I'll add the title. Suppose I want same title, that is safety while using subtitle. I can write by. Then I may use a theme. When I click on theme, there are so many themes that come up. You may use a theme if you want. So I'll take this one. Perfect. Now suppose now I want to add a slide where I want to give some information. So I'll use this. Okay. So I'm going to put up the title as the first safety measure that I want to put up. That is keep personal information professional and limited. So I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. So in this way you can add slide number 2, slide number 3 maybe with a picture. Yeah, you can add a picture over here. Suppose I want, let's see what images we get for safety measures while using internet. It's a good picture, so I can copy this picture. I can copy image, go back, and I can put this image over here. I can write the title as threats to the Nice. I can add one more slide. Choose strong passwords. Type over here. Strong passwords. And I can put this information over here. Whenever you are taking information from any website, make sure that you are taking only the information that you need. Don't take all the information, don't copy and paste everything that you find. Read the information and select the one that you want, and then put it on the slide using bulleted list. See over here, there are bulleted list. Make different points. See, now it looks nice. You can still adjust it a little bit. You can make this box a little bit smaller, more smaller. Perfect. Now over here you can put up a picture also. So I will search for a picture for strong password. Yeah, so you can use this one. See, it's a good example of strong password, which is a good password and a bad password. Copy this image. You can put it up on this. Perfect. Now let's add the last slide, that is the thank you slide. So I can select this one and I can write credits over here. And for credits, of course, I can give the credits to the website link that I have used. That is, I have used Kaspersky website. So what I can do is I can write over here Kaspersky website. Yeah, and then I can put the URL of this website over here. You can make this URL and the website name a little bit smaller so that looks good. So this is how you are supposed to create the presentation. Now once you are done, come back to the assignment and click on this hand in option. Okay, click on this hand in option and hand in your presentation. That's all.